Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce myself. My name is Rayyan Azhar and I am a student of Junior High School 1 of Brangsong. I'm honored to be speaking to you today through this video on a topic that is close to my heart. Aku Pelajar Pancasila. First and foremost, let us express our gratitude to Allah Almighty for the blessing and opportunity that have brought us together in this virtual gathering. Not forgetting the salawat and greeting we pour out to the Prophet Muhammad, who has brought us out of the dark age to the era of bright light today, namely Islam. Ladies and gentlemen, as a student, I firmly believe that Pancasila represents the fundamental value that guide our life as member of Indonesian society. In this speech, I would like to discuss the importance of Pancasila in my life as a student and how we can all strive to uphold its value in our daily life. In this video, I would like to talk about myself as a student who is trying to value Pancasila. As a student, I have learned that Pancasila is the foundation of our nation. It is not only a philosophy, but it also represents our identity as Indonesian. As a pelajar Pancasila, I strive to uphold the value of Pancasila in my daily life. The 5 principles of Pancasila: believe in one God, just and civilized humanity, the unity of Indonesia, democracy led by the wisdom of the people, and social justice guide me in my action and decision. Believe in one God remind me to always be humble and respectful towards others, regardless of their background or belief. Just in civilized humanity inspire me to be compassionate and empathetic toward those in need, and to stand up against injustice. The unity of Indonesia teaches me to embrace diversity and to appreciate the difference that make us unique. Democracy, led by the wisdom of the people, encourage me to participate in discussion and decision-making processes, and to respect the opinion of others. Finally, social justice motivates me to contribute to the betterment of society and to help those who are less fortunate. Ladies and gentlemen, according to our founding father, Mr. Insinyur Soekarno, Pancasila is the essence of the Indonesian nation spirit that has been suppressed by Western culture for generations. Pancasila was created during Indonesia's independence struggle, and it reflects the value of the Indonesian people. This value serves as a guide for life and governing a nation, and Pancasila unites us as Indonesians. Unfortunately, in my opinion, many students still engage in action that divide from Pancasila. For example, there are many people around me who display racist, intolerant, and discriminatory attitude. Bullying and exclusion are still common, and some students use drugs and smoke. As good students, we should respect Pancasila and apply its value in our daily life. As a pelajar Pancasila, I believe that it is my responsibility to promote and preserve the value of Pancasila. I will continue to learn, practice, and uphold this value in my daily life, and encourage others to do the same. Let us work together to strengthen our sense of national unity by embracing the value of Pancasila. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.